If you're looking for a career change or simply want to add another source of income, becoming a notary loan signing agent in Texas could be for you. Texas has a population of over 29.5 million people, and there's constant demand in this profession. Whenever people are getting a mortgage or refinancing their property, there will be a need for signing agent to handle the loan documents. As a signing agent, you'll be responsible to walk through the set of loan documents with the borrower and witness them in signing the paperwork. If you're interested in starting your own business in Texas, becoming a notary loan signing agent is definitely the way to go. Hi, this is Anna from Real Estate Career HQ. In this video, my colleague and I will go over the steps to become a notary loan signing agent in Texas. You'll learn about the application process and what to prepare for the business. We also prepared great career resources on our website, including interviews of several loan signing agents. They are all incredibly successful professionals in this industry and will share with you their journey and insights in this business. So after watching this video, be sure to check out the interviews. You can find the links in the description box below. Will, can you please share with us the first few steps to become a loan signing agent in Texas?
Sure, Anna. The first requirement is to be eligible. A loan signing notary must be at least 18 years old, be a legal resident of Texas, and able to read and write English. The second step is obtain the surety bond. The Texas Secretary of State requires you to purchase a $10,000 surety bond, and you must get it from a licensed surety, such as a notary bonding company, an insurance company, or a notary organization. But keep in mind that the surety bond is to protect those that uses your notary services and not you as a notary public. Therefore, if you're looking for professional liability insurance that protects yourself against claims for inadequate work or negligent actions, you should look in an error and omission insurance. We checked with a surety bond issuer. The cost for a bond amount of $10,000 is $50. But this does not include any E&O coverage. If you want to add a $30,000 of E&O coverage, then the total cost would be $130. But of course, that is all subjected to change. So make sure you do your due diligence and select the right coverage for the surety bond and E&O.
Thanks, Will. The next step is to submit the notary commission application. The Texas Secretary of State is the office that grants the notary commission to applicants and maintains records of all notaries public in Texas. You need to fill out the Form 2301. Most of the questions on the application are pretty straightforward. For example, it will ask for your name, business address, and background info. But you also need to include the bond number and get an authorized person from the surety company to sign it. There is a $21 application fee, and you may pay by a personal check, money order, or credit card. However, there will be a 2.7% charge for credit card. Furthermore, make sure the name and signature on the application will be the same as when you are notarizing documents. Once everything is in good order, you may send it to the Notary Public Unit. Once the Texas Secretary approves your application, they will send you the Notary Public Commission certificate through email. Note that they will not send you a physical mail, so be sure to include your email address in the application form. After you receive the certificate, it's better to review and confirm that all the details are correct. For example, check your name, county of residence, and commission dates on the certificate.
Now it's the time to start your loan signing business. But before that, you need to get a few business supplies. First, you'll need to get a notary seal. This helps you to include specific info in every document, so you won't leave out any required details. You may purchase the notary seal from Office Supplies store. Also, its design must comply with the regulatory rules. For example, it must contain the words Notary Public, State of Texas, your name, and the commission expiry date. We include the requirement details on our blog, so be sure to check it out after watching this clip. Another helpful business supply is the journal. As a notary public, the state law requires you to keep a fair register of all official acts. Maintaining a good record of your notary acts is an essential part of good business practice. It could serve as proof that you have taken reasonable steps to identify the signer of a document. For example, you are required to record the date and time of the notarial act, the name and address of the person involved, a description of the record, and whether any fee is charged. More details can be found in the Notary Public Handbook. Also, you should consider using a permanently bound journal, because their pages are less likely to be removed or lost. Once again, you may find it at stationery, office supply stores, or through notary associations. For both the seal and journal, make sure you keep them in a locked and secured area where only you have direct access to it. The last step is to register as a remote online notary public. Becoming one could bring you great convenience to streamline your notary practice and remain competitive in the industry. To register, you'll need to fill out the registration for online notary application. You also need to get a digital signature and an electronic seal from a third-party provider, which complies with the regulatory requirement. So back to you, Anna.
Thank you so much, Will. So here are the steps to become a notary loan signing agent in Texas. But are you still unsure how to get started? Don't worry, you can hop onto our blog, realestatecareerhq.com. In there, you can find all the details to start your loan signing business in Texas. We also cover some of the most common questions and income updates of this profession. You'll also find a 5 modules training which covers the notary laws. So be sure to check it out. Once again, this is Anna from Real Estate Career HQ. I wish you all the best in the loan signing career in Texas. See you next time.